Hi, this is Sandra. Today I'm going to unbox this product I got last week at Big Camera while I traveled to Sapporo, Japan. Let's dive in and see what makes this product special. First, let's take a look at what's inside the box. We have the lantern itself, which is compact and lightweight. Also comes with a Type-C charging cable and a user menu. You can spin the knob to turn it on. Press the button at the top to change the color of the light, and turn the knob to adjust the brightness. It's also a power bank, so you can charge your smartphone or other devices when needed. This is especially handy during emergencies. Its compact design makes it easy to store and carry, making it perfect for outdoor adventures and travel. The small green light on the side will show green while the solar panel is working. If you cover the solar panel, as you can see, the green light turns off. This product is an IP44 outdoor light, so it's not completely waterproof, but it does have protection against splash water. One more thing to note is there is a screw hole on the bottom of the lantern. This allows you to lock it into a tripod, providing even more versatility for your lighting needs. Overall, ANTEL rechargeable lantern with solar panel is a versatile and reliable light source. Whether you're preparing for emergencies or enjoying the outdoors, this lantern has got your cover. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews. If you're interested in purchasing this product, I've included an affiliate link in the description below. By using this link, you'll be supporting my channel at no extra cost to you. Thank you.